Hi guys. So this is gonna be the first video of 2019, and this is, oh no, this is gonna be the first video of 2020. My bad. So this video is all about products that I tried out in 2019 that I wanted to like mention more, some favorite memories, favorite brand. So we're just gonna do a 2019 rewind. So I was contemplating on posting this video like on January 31st. That doesn't make no sense. On December 31st or January 1st, but you're getting it on January what? I'm posting this video on January 7th. So this is gonna be the very first video of 2020. That sounds crazy. And that's also my birthday month. So a lot of good things in January. Anyways, so let's start. So in 2019, I posted about 75 videos, and that's a lot. I tried out a lot of new products in 2019. Now these are going to be products that I tried only in 2019. So it's not going to be any products from 2018 that I used in 2019, which I did a lot of that. There's a lot of hair masks that I bought in 2018 that I was still using in 2019, but that's not what this video is about, because then it's going to be a super long video. I just want to talk about new stuff. Cool. So let's start with shampoos. You're gonna see a common theme. I like things that have peppermint in it, something minty on my scalp, just because I like that. I like that stuff. It's gonna be clarifying. I like a more clarifying shampoo. So the Henna Sooq one is the first one I want to mention, just because it has peppermint in it, very minty on the scalp, and it does a good job of just cleaning all the buildup. Next product I have here is a DERMA shampoo. So if you do have scalp issues, this is a good drugstore product, because it helps to soothe that. So that's another shampoo that I did really like. Next one I want to mention is by Soultanicals, and it is the Soultanicals. I just put Soultanical shampoo. Wow, can I be any more specific? Soultanicals shampoo. Let me Google that. I want to get the right name for you. I can't believe I just put Soultanical shampoo. Come on, Elizabeth. But this is one that I tried out and I was like, oh, I actually like that one. Yeah, it was a Soultanical Sprout Rice Vitamin Butta shampoo. This shampoo is more on the nourishing side, so it's not that clarifying, and it smells like a men's cologne. I have a review on it. Most of these products I have a review on it, but this one I do like because it doesn't leave my hair feeling stripped and it's more moisturizing. The two other shampoos I want to mention is by Ecoslay, and it's the Peppermint Schnapp, and the other one is the Alikay Naturals Black Soap. So both these products, I'm mentioning them together because it's a very watery shampoo. The Alikay Natural was the first shampoo that I tried out that was like a black shampoo, and I did like it. So I tried the Ecoslay, and I am currently using that in the shower at the moment, but I like it. I have like a love-hate relationship with like super watery shampoo, but so far I'm really liking the Peppermint Schnapp one. So that's the shampoos that I tried out that I do want to mention. Now let's move on to conditioner. So this year I tried 6 new conditioners. Can you believe that? 11 new shampoos and 6 new conditioners. Wow. So the conditioner that I really want to mention that I really did like was the Resource Curls conditioner. That one was so moisturizing on my hair. Not only did it smell good, but when I'm able to detangle it, not that it has a lot of slip, because it's a little bit more on, it's not too thick, but it's not a watery conditioner. But that conditioner, like, I'm able to detangle my hair with it. It smells good. It doesn't feel dry on the hair at all. So that's a conditioner that I do want to shout out, that I'm happy that I did try out in 2019. Next is hair mask. So this year I tried 12 new hair masks, and there's only 2 that I want to give a little shout out to. So the first one is a Soultanicals Afrotastic, and their Fro Grow. Is that even it? Elizabeth, get it together. How do you say that? Let me get the right name of it. So I tried out the Afrotastic Curl Elastic hair mask. I do like that one. And I tried the Fro Despair Vitamin Hair Repair Mega Deep Conditioner. With the Afrotastic, I like the ingredients of it. I like the way this smells. I like the way that my hair feels after I rinse it out. And what's good about that product is you can buy it at Sally Beauty. Now with the Fro Despair, I only used that product once, and I gave it to my mom, and I'm like, dang, the way that product made my hair feel, it was so soft. It has like that green color, so it looks like extra like nutrients in it. So that's another hair mask that I did enjoy this year. Another hair mask that I did like was from Product Junkie Natural, and it was their Baylicious conditioner. That hair mask has so much slip that whenever I use it, I'm like, dang, what is in it that it makes my hair feel so soft? So that's another hair mask that I did enjoy this year. I want you to take a guess. How many stylers do you think I tried out this year? I'll wait. Anthony, how many styles do you think I tried out this year?
75 videos.
Yeah. About, okay. I might, maybe 76, but 75.
Let's see, you do some random ones. I'm gonna say, you do some
Man, I'll carry the 2.
60.
60? Oh my god,
no, 50.
No.
How much?
Dang, I thought 27.
Oh.
Okay. So I tried about 27 new stylers this year. I have 3 that I really want to mention. Wow, I'm really picky with stuff. First one I want to mention is the Breahni Moisture Milk. So with that product, it smells like watermelon. Whenever I use it, I get compliments because it smells really sweet on the hair. So I do like the way that product smells. It's easy to like reapply for the next day if you want to do any touch up. It is not a watery leave-in conditioner. Moisture milk, and it just makes my hair feel nice and soft. Another product that I did try out was the Soultanicals Frizz Whiz. Now this leave-in conditioner is a little bit on the thinner side. Now what I do like about that product is not only that it smells good, it smells like watermelons. I do like the way that smells. It is so easy to like retouch your hair with it the next day. So you can use it as a base if you want to pair it off with like a gel, or you can use it to retouch your hair the next day. I paired it off with the Soultanicals Fro'zen Grip Gel, and that combo was really good. But I do like the Frizz Whiz. It's not a heavy product whatsoever. The ingredients are really good. That's a good leave-in conditioner. The next thing I do want to mention is a fairly new one. I just did a review on it, but I want to mention it because that's what's in my hair at the moment, and it's the Nature's Little Secret Irish Malt Styling Cream. So while it is still new, I like that I'm able to build it up. I can retouch my hair. I can use it with like another gel. So far I am really liking that styling cream, and I'm happy that I tried it out for Black Friday and I got a good deal. Next is gel. So 2019 was the year of gels for me because I wasn't normally a gel kind of person. I tried out 9 new gels, and I want to mention 3 that I was like, wow, okay. So the first one was the Breahni Light Styling Gel. Now this was the first gel product that I tried out that I was like, wow, I really do like the way I like the way my hair looks with the gel. What's different about this gel, it doesn't get flakes. Let me keep it real with that. I do have like little white residues when I use this product. It does have an initial cast, but once I broke it up, my hair felt super soft with that gel. It gave me long lasting definition, but it's kind of a gel that you're not going to have that long lasting crunch feeling after you break out that initial cast. But that was the first gel that I tried out this year that I was like, wow, okay, gels. Next product that I want to mention is by Soultanicals, and is a Fro'zen Grip Gel. That's another product that's in my hair at the moment. But with this gel, it gives you long lasting hold, okay? Now this product is on the thicker side, so a little goes a long way. But when your hair is wet, it really glides through your hair, so that's not a problem with it. And what I like about this gel so far is that you can really build it up to have a super strong cast, or you can apply a light amount where it gives you like a light to medium hold. So I do like that about this gel. Next gel that I do want to mention is by Ecoslay, and it's the Orange Marmalade Gel. This is a flaxseed gel. I don't know if I would get another flaxseed gel, but this one does provide that long lasting definition. And this is kind of like a trial and error product, just because I've seen people say they really like this gel, or this gel doesn't really work out for them. So that's a gel that you're gonna have to work a little bit on. So that's pretty much the gels that I tried out this year. So I tried about 3 oils this year, but the main oil that I do like that I have been using was the Dominican Curly Multi-Purpose Oil. So that oil, not only does it have good ingredients, it has peppermint, which is a good ingredient that it has that minty feeling on my scalp. The way that I like to use it is if I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow, tonight I will do like a hot oil, like a scalp massage on my hair, and I'll just rinse it out tomorrow. Another way that I'll use this oil is I'll add a few drops to my hair mask if I really want to step it up. That's an oil that I did try out this year that I really do like, and I have another bottle of, and I'm happy about that. So that's pretty much it. Those are the products that I tried out this year that I do want to mention, and that I'm happy that I did try out. Now, brand wise, the brand that I'm happy that I tried out this year, is it gonna be a surprise? Anthony, what brand do you think I'm happy that I tried out this year?
Trying to think of all the brands.
Yeah.
Soultanicals.
Soultanicals. Yes. Not only did I win a lot of Soultanicals product in a giveaway, I just like the ingredients of it. I like their products. A lot of you guys were telling me to try out that brand this year, and I'm happy that I did because it's good. There's a lot of products that I haven't tried out yet that I'm going to review in 2020, but as a brand in general, I'm glad that I did try that out this year. So that would be like my favorite brand of the year. Now I want to go over certain highlights of this year that I'm happy. Starting with attending a curly hair event. So I did a vlog where I went with my friends to a curly hair event. It was cool. I got to see other curly hair girls. I got to make friends. I met some people that I follow on Instagram at that curly hair event. So it's really fun. So for 2020, I want to attend more curly hair events. Another thing this year is people send me free items. That is crazy because I buy all my stuff. I don't have to worry about like, dang, I have to go to the store to do a review on it. Like somebody sent me and I can just wash my hair that same day. So getting sent free items, I liked it. That's a cool thing. I got my first sponsorship in 2019. How freaking cool, man. How freaking cool. Somebody was like, I'm gonna pay you So you can try this out. Something that I already tried out and I do like already. Dominican Curly, that was my first sponsorship for 2019, and I bought their oil before. I love their oil, so the fact that somebody was like, okay, let's work with you. Yeah, I want to do more sponsorships in 2020. Another highlight of 2019 was I got 6,000 subscribers on YouTube. So we did it, man.
Bunny number one.
Bunny number one, yes. So that's one thing that I really want to work on, to be more consistent in 2020. Even though I am consistent. Like every Saturday you got a review. Wednesday you got either a hair review or like a vlog. You got some like kind of mix it up thing on Wednesday. But I want to be more consistent on YouTube in 2020. I want to see if I can get maybe 7,000 subscribers on YouTube. I mean, I feel like I can. So each year just get a little bit better. Another highlight is I got Final Cut Pro. I was always working with iMovie. There's nothing wrong with iMovie, but I wanted to like add more graphics and do a little bit more cool stuff, like boom, firework, boom, firework. So I'm able to do that stuff with Final Cut Pro. So I got that this year. Pretty cool. Another thing that I've been doing this year was getting more facials, taking care of myself, and that has been really good, really beneficial. So I've been getting facials. Right now I have like about 800 and something followers on Instagram, so maybe getting 1,000, 1,005, 1.5. So okay, that's pretty much the stuff that I wanted to mention in this 2019 rewind. I just wanted to look over products that I'm happy that I tried out this year and talk about some highlights. Now let me know, what are some products that you were happy you tried out in 2019? What are your 2019 highlights? Did you try a new brand? Did your hair grow 10 inches? Let me know what are some things that happened to you this year that you are proud of. What are some of your accomplishments? Let's share that down below. Thank you so much for watching my videos in 2019. That really means a lot to me. Thank you for interacting. Thank you for being my friend. You know, that means a lot to me. So 2020 is only going to get bigger and better. Another firework. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.